So if you have a 3rd gen Tacoma and you're tired of the cam tabs folding over and breaking, alignment going out all the time, KP Offroad has what I hope to be a really good solution for that. So this is a stop cam or a cam lockout kit, and basically what it does is it comes with all kind of fun stuff. This is the new gusset kit you weld together for where the cams go through the control arms and subframe, and it kind of is just beefier, much beefier, like 3/16 plate steel and 1/4 inch maybe tabs, and that'll stop the factory tabs from bending. You gotta air hammer those off, and it comes with some other hardware, some big old bolts, nuts. Yeah, these are an 8-way adjustable or 5-way adjustable cam lockout kit. So you actually eliminate the OEM hardware for this stuff, and you put this in its place. I'll show you real quick what we're dealing with. So essentially, you're going to take these little cam tab guys, and that's going to sit on your subframe, and then it's going to, these 8 beefy ass plates are going to go in there and line up, so you'll be able to adjust the camber and caster on the control arm one of 5 ways, minimum, maximum, or somewhere in between depending on what you want. I'm going to want to, on mine, max out camber and caster as much as I can here, put these big bolts through, lock it out, and that's going to allow me to have my lower control arms not move when I hit rocks and stuff off-road. And then we're going to use the SPC uppers and these fancy guys here from PRG products. I had these on the old Tacoma. It's a heim joint style tie rod end, and it allows you to adjust this for toe as well as the inner. So you get twice as much adjustment, so you can really dial in an alignment on these trucks and get it to where it doesn't suck to drive after it's modified, and things like that. So the install video is coming soon. Thanks for watching.